If your septic system's slow draining toilets are still a pain even after pumping, you gotta check the plumbing beyond the septic tank, like for real. So, when you're dealing with slow drains, don't just assume the septic tank is the only problem. First off, look at your pipes from the house to the septic tank. Sometimes roots or clogs can jam things up there. Use a plumbing snake or call a pro to clear out any blockages. Next, make sure your drain field isn't waterlogged or damaged, because that can cause backups too. Avoid flushing anything weird down the toilet like wipes or grease, since they mess up your system big time. Also, keep heavy stuff off your drain field area to prevent compacting the soil. Regularly schedule septic system inspections to catch problems early before they get worse. And don't forget, conserving water helps reduce stress on your septic system so it works better overall. If you notice slow drainage after a heavy rain, that might mean your drain field is saturated and needs attention. One of the biggest issues with slow draining toilets in septic systems is clogged pipes between your house and the septic tank. Roots can sneak in or debris builds up, so getting those cleaned out fixes a lot of headaches. Another common problem is a saturated or failing drain field that can't absorb wastewater properly. Fixing it often means aerating or replacing parts of the drain field. The third big mistake is ignoring regular maintenance and pumping schedules. Skipping these means solids build up and cause backups. So sticking to a pumping plan every 3 to 5 years is clutch for keeping things flowing smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect if you want to find trusted local contractors who know their way around septic systems and home projects. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable help, making it easier for both sides to get things done right.